Hi, I'm Kevin with the Chalkboard Agency. Thanks for joining us. Today, you have the opportunity to hear a really moving story from a really great guy. His name is Dr. Aaron Johnson, and he thinks back to who inspired him. And the answer he comes up with really moved him, and it might move you too.
My name is Aaron Johnson. I was inspired by a number of different people and for different reasons, for different causes. The place where I felt like I had the most inspiration was in school, because it was like a concentrated group of adults that you saw every day for at least an hour a day. School was the place where I got the most inspiration, and it came from my teachers. Right now I'm 51, right? So many teachers inspired me, but I feel like now I would like to go back and tell them how they inspired me. And I don't have that opportunity because some of them are no longer with us, or they've retired and they've moved, to a different state. So I would say find out who that person is who inspires you, or find out who those people are who inspire you, and go get closer to them. Go talk with them. Go tell them how they've inspired you. Go show them, if they've inspired you to be a great writer, share some pieces with them. They've inspired you to play, an instrument, or to get involved with business or art or dance, whatever the case may be. Get closer to those people, and it's a really great opportunity to tap into a knowledge base. If you get close to those people that inspire you, you not only get access to their brains, you not only get access to what they're trying to help you do or learn, but you get access to their histories, their family histories. You get access to their sources of inspiration. You get access to, a lot of times we don't look at teachers as being whole, full human beings who lead lives outside of school. You get access to that person. In my mind, I don't want to rank them, but they are ranked. But there's at least one number one, right? And that was my 6th grade and 8th grade ELA teacher. She was the first person to give me a book that I read cover to cover. And then I was like, wow, it opened up a whole new world for me. At that moment that I believe I became a reader, a person who enjoyed reading for the sake of reading. And then in 8th grade, she had this really extensive vocabulary skill build program. She helped us to learn the etymologies of words, not just the spelling, but the parts of speech. We wrote sentences with conjunctive adverbs. We learned 3 synonyms and antonyms for each word. We had to write a short story every week with the words included in there. And at the time, we were like, why do we have to do this? We have to, write, an essay or a short story, and the reason why I say she's number one on my list of teachers who inspired me was because I use those skills every single day now. I use them not just in my work, my professional work, but in my personal life, with my own writing. Sometimes people will say to me, how did you become such a good writer? It was because of, and I'll say her name, Mrs. Willie Bell Gibson from Bates Academy, from the years 1983 to 1988. This teacher is the teacher. I've never met anyone like her in my life. That inspiration that she gave me, of those writers that she introduced me to Hurston and Poe and Chaucer and so many others, Toni Morrison. I use those things every day, and so she continues to live in me. And so I never had the chance to get close to her like I'm suggesting now. I never had the chance to tell her how much she inspired me. So that's why I'm suggesting now to any student that may be watching this, is to let them know teachers are hurting right now, and they need to know that they're making a difference in your lives.
Thanks, Aaron, for sharing that story. Really makes you think. And while you're thinking, we would love for you to consider a couple of questions that might make your thinking a little deeper or maybe give you something to think about and act on later. Number 1, Aaron said he was inspired at school. Where do you get inspired? What's a place that gives you new ideas, and who are the people there that fill you up with inspiration? Question number 2, why do you think people are sometimes shy or they hesitate to tell others that they care about them, that they are important to them? What holds us back from sharing with the people who are important to us how we feel about them? And question number 3, who is a teacher or coach or a person in your life who inspires you? Now, you probably guessed this was coming. Who is that person, and how can you let them know before it's too late that they're an inspiration to you? Thanks again.